Hi, in front of me is HTC Desire 21 Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. Firstly, open calendar. Now you need to tap on the month above and select the date, for example that one. Then click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner and choose event. Over here you can customize it however you want to. For example, you can add a title, set up notifications, minutes, hours or weeks before. You can change color, add location, people, choose starting hour, and ending one. When you're done, click on Save at the top right corner. And as you can see, my event was successfully created. But if you wish to get rid of it, all you need to do is click on it, tap on these three dots at the top right corner and choose delete. Then delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!